guys. Track's open.
Qualifiers over. Might as well pull over. Can't make a mistake.
Wow, that was cool.
Alright, 2 laps are in. 3rd lap's coming in now. Alright, we got Vega on top, 15.624. I would put him P2 overall. Santos, though, 15.622. He's now looking to go P2. Vega would go P3. Berkebile going to be on 14.619. Hammer, change that. Furnace, 14.625. Hammer, 14.626. Will, 13.612. Fisher, 12.606. Vega now 14.6 flat. Still enough to make the main. That is the most important part, but it's going to be all about Jason Santos. As Alan Ray leader down the street, he goes to do a red bar next to his name. That's no bueno. He's going to drop down to a 6.08. That would put him in 10th overall. Still 3.5 minutes to go, so plenty of opportunity to reel that time back in. They going to be a 6.01. That'd be good enough to go 6th at the moment. And we saw the A group to come, so 6 is good enough to make it in, but not ultra promising with one more group to go. Halfway there. Also, just a heads up, the track will be closed between the 3rd round of mains. We get main set up, get the track flowing off, paint the grid, and then we're going to get started with our main event.
Oops.
Minutes left.
Vega 14.606, Santos 14.606. Both just on the outside of the A main. Vega now 605.7, that put him P8. Vega, we still got that last group coming up. It's good enough for now, but will it be good enough
1 minute left.
in 10 minutes time? 1 to go. Santos now P8 overall. Vega takes it back. Goes it on 605. So the flame front, blue backs. That'll be Vega in one and the other orange, then blue back will be Santos. Santos got open track, so he should be okay, but we got 25 seconds. Vega will be working with Furnace there, I believe, down the straightaway. Thank you very much. Less than 10 on the clock. That is time.
Ronaldo Vega done. George Fisher done.
Vega and Fisher are done.